How to change group name on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group name on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and now click any group here you want, like this one, friends, and then click on top corner here. And now all you need to do is just click this icon here. And now you can change the group name to anything you want, like gaming, and then just click this icon here. And as you see, group name has been changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.